Question number 4. Convert 8628 seconds into hours, minutes and seconds. Okay. What we have given here? Given 8628 seconds. Okay. We have to find out. To find convert to hour, minute and second. Solution: to convert second in minute, we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so if we divide this 8628 by 60, then we will get value in minutes. So what we will do here, we will divide it 8628 divided by 60. I will divide it by 12. 12 5s are 16. 1s are 84. Remainder will be 2. 12 1s are 12. Remainder will be 10. 12 9s are 108. Okay. Now we will divide by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Remainder will be 2. 5 4s are 20. Remainder will be 1. 5 3s are 15. Remainder will be 4 upon 5. Okay. So what we have got? We have got 143 wholes are 4 upon 5 seconds. So for this 4 upon 5, we will convert it in second. To convert it in second, we have to make this base as 60. So we will multiply by it by 12, denominator and denominator. So we will get 143 wholes are 12 4s are 48 upon 60 minute. Okay, so this 48 upon 60 minute means what it means? It means this is 48 second. So here our answer will become 143 minute and 48 seconds. Now as we have to find out the time in hour, minute and second, again we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to what we will do here, we will divide here 143 by 60 and write here plus 48 seconds. Okay. So here we can divide 60 1s are 60, 62s are 120, 120 minus 43. So remainder will be 23 upon 60. Okay. So our hours are 2 wholes are 23 upon 60, which is equal to 2 hours and 23 minutes. Okay. So our final answer will be 8628 second is equal to 2 hour 23 minute and 48 seconds. Clear? Okay.